How much is a replacement AirPod case? Apple is also charging $69 to replace a single AirPod if you happen to lose one, and the same price for a lost charging case, which was a big topic conversation when Apple first unveiled the new cord-free earbuds. The AirPods sell for $159 new and come with the charging case. Can I charge my AirPods without the case? To charge your AirPods, put them in your case. You can charge your case with or without your AirPods inside. Does Apple replace AirPods for free? If you do end up picking up new AirPods sometime soon, Apple did just begin offering AppleCare for AirPods for $29 that covers the earphones for 2 years. Finally, if your AirPods end up having a manufacturing defect and are under warranty, Apple will replace them free of charge. Can you charge your AirPods without the case? Then plug the other end of the cable into a USB charger or port. You can charge your case with or without your AirPods inside. Can I replace AirPod case? Yes, you can. The company will also sell you a replacement charging case for $59. Apple also sells the 2019 wireless charging case for $79 that works with both AirPods versions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for more of these videos.